Auto night detection cannot be used. What?
Okay. I'm gonna watch him for a second, and you'll be able to see the baby move. There it is. There it goes again. There's a little leg. It's really hard to see.
Hey, you can see it on here. Aw.
It's kicking. So precious. Okay, I'm gonna get the second one.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Pause. Good Lord. Okay.
Okay. This is the pointy one that we weren't quite sure. There is a baby, and you can see the baby moving. Let's see, there we go. You just got to keep an eye on the one section, and you'll see the baby moving inside.
I can see it.
That's good.
Oh, my hands are shaking a little bit because I'm nervous. I don't want to do anything wrong, but I know I've handled eggs before, but not as the babies were moving. So, okay, so now we're going to get the last one.
Okay.
And this one is number 3. I think this one is going to be the very first one to hatch. It's a lot fuller. You can see it moving. There's not as much room to move around. Let me see. Right there's a good movement right there. Just keep watching. It's subtle, but it's there. This one not as obvious because...
Yeah, there's not as much room. You can see the top center there.
Yes, I can still see it moving.
Mm-hmm.
There's the 3 babies.
I wonder what they're going to look like.
Their first clutch. Whoops.
I can't wait.
Oh, look at that. It's a lot more obvious of the movement when they're smaller. But a few more days and all of them are going to look like this, so we went ahead and recorded. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.